Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Tuesday, March 22, 2022. Yesterday, the markets made some new highs on a short-term basis, but ended up with a doji candlestick, which means we closed right around where we opened for the session. So that's kind of a candlestick that is called an indecision candlestick. You know, you've got price action well above the open, price action well below the open, but it ends up closing right around where the open is located. So that's thought of as indecision on a candlestick basis. And what we're going to look at is what has happened historically following that candlestick when it's coming up near highs. So let me go ahead and get this set up. I'm going to grab all four instruments. The setup's based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, for this pattern, the gap direction is pretty important, and we are trading higher at the time of this recording, so I'm going to go with gap up from the gap direction here. And if we do end up pulling back into the open, you'll want to rerun this with a gap down because it will make a difference. All right, next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library, and I'm going to grab the doji candlestick, and I'm going to put it in the context of making a 10-day high yesterday as well. So to do that, I can either use this section right here, candlesticks. It's the second option, day after doji, or I can grab it from the active today, candlesticks, and then also new highs. I'm going to say day after the highest high of the past 10 days. I'm going to grab that from over here in active today. It's in our long list of new highs filters that are available here. And lastly, I'm going to go to the indicators library, and I'm going to say that we closed above a 10 and 200 day simple moving average. Grab both of those. Now I'm going to click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. When you gap up and the prior day had a doji candlestick that made the highest high of the past 10 days while closing above a 10 and 200 day simple moving average. Historically, we've got 71 samples in the S&P dating back to 2003 for the NASDAQ. We've got 81 for the Dow, 82 for the Russell, 53. Win rates on these are coming in a little bit weak, with the S&P coming in at 42%, NASDAQ 42%, Dow 45%, Russell 53%. That's the only one above 50 there. If we look at the average moves, very similar in size for the S&P. For the NASDAQ, the average win is larger than the average loss. For the Dow, they're pretty similar in size. And then for the Russell, the average loss larger than the average win. So we're a little bit mixed on average moves. But as a group, it looks like the win rates are a little bit skewed towards the downside. 3 out of 4 of them being 45% or less. And win rates there on the Russell is a little bit more neutral. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.